see a fine motor development. Today we are going to have fun with painting. It's called magic painting. Do you know why it's called magic painting? Because we will write few of the alphabet with help of this candle here. I'll write B, I'll write C, D, all the random letters on the plain page. Now, so do you want to have fun with that? Let's start. Hello. Say hi to your friends. Hi. Now we are going to do magic painting. Come on, paint. Very good. Let's paint the whole page. Come on, Tejas. Let's paint everything. Come on. Very good. Now Tejas has painted whole page. Letters are here. Which letter is this? Say it loudly.
B.
Letter B. Which letter is this?
O.
O. And this is letter
H.
Wow. Today we did all the recap of the letters. Did you enjoy this painting activity?
Yes.
Yes. So here I have written down a few of the letters. Those were hidden. Now we did painting. Now it's visible to you all. Now, kids, so I hope you must be enjoying this activity at home. So we'll tell Mama and Dara to write down few activity with help of this candle, and we'll write it on the plain page, and you can have fun with all the paint. Okay, now let's say goodbye to you all. See you next time. Thank you.